Welcome guys, Greenbot back again with another reaction video. Today we're going to check out STORMZY, Still Disappointed. This is the part 2 of STORMZY song against Wale. So they're going back and forth, dropping tune, come like couple hours before each other or after each other. So this is STORMZY's second tune. So we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. It's called Still Disappointed because his first song was called Disappointed. So let's begin now.
Yeah. I Wiley, man, I'm still disappointed.
Still disappointed. Dude, yo, this man still coming forth with his teacup. I wonder if his tea actually in it or alcohol. That's a good question right there. This man say, oh, I'm eating him for breakfast. I'm drinking tea.
Alright, one more dab, then it's back to business. I'm a real G and your dad's a witness. Boy, Joe Brody and your sister begged it. I told that little bitch, don't ask for pictures. I do this thing for fitness. Put them cowie boys and wristlers. Fallouts at the next family function. The cowies are gonna have an awkward Christmas. So why you love to talk about mum so much?
Oh my god. Shit. STORMZY just make a good point a while ago. In Wale video part 2, Skengman part 2, he mentioned STORMZY mother about 20 times. And see, STORMZY just said it a while ago, bro. That's crazy.
Ask for pictures. I do this thing for fitness. Put them cowie boys and wristlers. Fallouts at the next family function. The cowies are gonna have an awkward Christmas. So why you love to talk about mum so much? Where's yours? Let me just allow it. Let me just pause. Now fuck that, man, I gotta done the virus. So I Wiley, you should have been the one to guide us. But since you wanna diss my mum so much, let's talk about why you moved your mum to Cyprus. That poor little woman was scared in the house car. You put her life in danger, you prick. Bricks and shots just fly through your window. You couldn't be the person to save her, you prick.
Mother was in danger.
Joe, mum, you gotta leave the country. I never wanna hear you say free the man then. Let's go Cyprus and go free your mumsy. Got mumsy banged up abroad. All because the son was a fraud. Can't handle this, so she handles dick like I handle the war. Nothing ain't funny anymore. Cause I'm not a happy bunny anymore. They don't really wanna bring it to your mummy anymore. So your dad can't defend your bro and you can't defend your mum. And I wonder what she thinks. All the males in your family are weak links. Gather round, man, this is just a pre-drinks. Ripping the weave off my mum's head, okay, well, that's a lie. What we telling facts or jokes? Oh shit, I forgot, this is grime, so say what you like then. That would've done, let's have a fight then.
It's grime, anything you want, bro.
Fuck all them niggas, they ain't my friends. So don't hack them. Mum's life, man, I'm gonna kick him in the mouth. My niggas got private, it's bigger in the south. You weren't on it, your dad weren't on it. Guess your mum should've had a real nigga in the house to defend her. Broken woman, I wanna mend her. Fuck her back and then bend her. Got so much love and I wanna lend her. Got so much money, I wanna send her. Where can I send it? Well, you're putting her through, I wanna end it, please. I like that you're not self-centered. You open the door and look who entered. Oh, it's the king of grime, king of grime. I was the king of grime, but on drill. Now I'm the king of grime, I won't chill. King of grime, oh, it's no big deal. See this thing, yeah, I run that. Keep your crap, we don't bun that. Come on the mission and let your gun clap. Gonna start a petition to get your mum back. No, she wants to come back. Oh Lord, you got mumsy banged up abroad. You got mumsy ran off the ends. And it's foul cause it ain't her fault. She was trying to relax, but her son got caught in a war. One day there's doors at the door, then next day terminal 4. It's a shame what she needed was a strong man in the house. Fuck that, I'ma be the man in your house. Like, we'll come home, there's a man in the house. It's like your mum was the only real man in the house. Shower on the rhythm and I'm shower on the mic. Thought it was love, you were sour on the slide. You fuck boy, let me know how you wanna die. 24 hours to reply.
Oh, the challenge is still on, bro. They give him a challenge, 24 hours to reply. I think they said that part 3 came out for Wale. I'm not really sure, but look like STORMZY and Wale turned up on part 2. Not gonna lie. In part 1, STORMZY just give you a little taste, but he come up on part 2 really going in on like his family members, like his father could protect his wife and his brother. Wale could protect his own mother. She look like she got in trouble because of Wale and he have to leave the country and all those stuff. That's crazy. And STORMZY make a good point, say, why they talk about mom so much? I even mentioned that in the video, bro. Like, he was mentioning mom a lot. And STORMZY's like, where's yours? Oh my god, that shit is crazy. But anyway, guys, this is the innovation video. Peace out.